Hey guys, my name's Dave. This is Custom Spray Mods, and in this video, I'm going to do a good deed. I drive past this car every day on my way to work, and I noticed that the headlights are really yellow and faded. I don't even know how they work at night. So I'm going to go fix it for the guy. I'm going to do that in this video. Check it out. So I'll put a bit of a before and after of these headlights. This is what they used to look like, and this is what they look like now. Well, I haven't done them yet, but I'm about to do it right now. But I'm going to do it in a way that's really quick and easy and will last forever. So there are other ways to do this using a machine, polishing, sanding, polishing. It can take a lot of time, and it doesn't always work, doesn't always last forever. Sometimes that yellowing comes back. Well, this way, 100% works and lasts forever. I'm going to show you how to do it. All you need is a few little things. So I'm going to get, I've got some masking plastic to mask up the surrounding of the headlight. I've got some sandpaper. I've got some cleaner to clean the headlights after I sand them. And finally, I'm going to use a clear coat. This is a special headlight clear coat. You can use any clear coat. This is a lot better. It's 2K. It's going to last forever. It's going to be super shiny. And it's going to work in a humid environment that's not so hot or cold. Yeah, so it's a lot more user-friendly. This stuff from VG Auto Paints. I'll show you how to do it. Let's go. Okay, so the first step's really easy. I've just put tape around the edges of the headlight, and now I'm going to sand it with some 800 grit sandpaper and water. Now I really need to get deep in, get all this grime off and back to the bare plastic. Then I'm ready for the next step. I've got the tape here now because if I sand it, I don't want to accidentally sand the paint. So I'm just going to sand it now with some water and then move on. Okay, so I've sanded the lights, I've got it masked up with the tape and the plastic. Now I'm ready to paint it. Now see, we've got a problem here. See how the wind has blown that plastic over? You really have to make sure you tape up your plastic because you don't want that flipping on there when the paint's wet. So yeah, I'll make sure that's secure. Then I'm ready to clean it with some wax and grease remover. Okay, so I've sanded them, cleaned them, I'm ready to spray the clear coat. This is a 2K headlight clear, designed for headlights. You can use other clears, they're all good. This is just a bit special. Now to activate this, because it's 2K, I need to pull this little shaft at the bottom. So I need to get the ring that's underneath the can, and then that goes into the little hole, and it's like a little grenade ring pull. Okay, now that's ready to go. Pull that. Now I can mix it up, two parts are going to mix together, and then when I spray it, it's going to chemically dry and be super tough. There we go. So this is the part where you need a little bit of skill. You want to make sure when you use the spray can to spray the clear, you put the can quite close to the job. And I like to overlap more than 50%. And really make sure to go all the way off the light so you get full even coverage. I like to go quite quick as well because I'm nice and close, the clear is going on nice and wet. So going quick means I minimize any chance of getting runs. I like to spray 3 coats of the clear, waiting 10 minutes between coats. The good thing about this is it dries really quick. which means there's less chance of dust landing in it from the wind. You reckon pretty good?
Extremely good, man. This is professional city.
You can see at night time now.
My God, I can see myself too. Seriously, it's impressive. It's an impressive. I've never seen it like.
Looks like a new car.
Yeah. Only the headlights are new.
After about 10 minutes, the clear coat is touch dry and you can unmask it. Normally it'll be fully cured after about an hour or two. So tell me what you think. What do you think? Is it good?
Believe me, this is really professional. Extremely good. Extremely good.
It didn't take long either.
No.
Yeah.
I didn't expect it to be like this, seriously, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's good. Look, I'm glad you're happy, mate. Now when I drive past, I see a nice clear headlights. Yeah? That's good.
I'm glad you saw it.
So you're going to tell your wife that you did it? Yeah.
I will say to her I did it. No. She knows I didn't do it for sure. She knows I'm a lazy bastard. She knows.
Good.
She will say, wow.
Well, there you go. Good deed done. Now, I know the guy's happy. The headlights came out really good. He thought he had to buy new headlights. So he was ready to spend a couple of $100 on new headlights. I mean, you know, under $60 gets you the materials needed to do more than one. I probably could have done about 5 cars with this one little can. It only needed 3 coats of clear and it looks amazing. Super clear, super glossy, and it's 2K, so it's going to last for the life of the car. It's going to be UV stable, UV resistant, and it's just, it's a great solution. So all you need is some sandpaper, some Mad Clear from VG Auto Paints, and you can get the job done, save yourself some money, or make someone happy. So thanks for watching. I hope that helped you. Check out my store. Links down below. You can get some t-shirts. You can get some hoodies. All that mad stuff. Custom spray mods. Hit subscribe. Hit like. See you next time.